Hey everybody, welcome back to the old Deer Hunters. Okay, the next two we're going to compare is a 270 caliber. This also is a 270 Tikka. I'm shooting my hand load of 130 grain SST. And this is Nosler 270 130 grain ballistic tip. So we'll see how they compare. So for the hand load, 130 grain SST, not quite max. I think I'm using StaBall 6.5 powder. The velocity is 3,053 feet per second. That's not bad for a 270. It's about average. Now we're going to try the Nosler 130 grain ballistic tip. And it is rated at 3,075 feet per second. But normally factory ammunition doesn't get quite as high as advertised, so I'm hoping for 3,000. If it'll do 3,000, I'll be happy. I also hope it hits the same point of impact, 200 yards. The first shot of the Nosler ammo was 2980. Impact was a little bit lower, I guess because of the velocity difference. Let's see if we can get a good group. 3,046. Here we go. We got a good group started. Now, these are the first rounds I put through this rifle since deer season. It's just been sitting in the safe, so no warm up, no zero check. But this bad boy goes right back where it's supposed to be. The nozzles are hitting just a little bit lower. But, you know, as far as going deer hunting, it'd still be deadly on a deer. 3,017. Let's see what the average is. So the average for the Nosler 130 ballistic tip factory ammunition, 3,015 feet per second. That's pretty darn good. Let's go down and check the group. Well, I'm really happy with that Nosler ammunition. I think it's going to be close to a half-inch group down there. Oh man, look at that. Remember, this was our 223 test. Here is our 270. We got about an inch on the hand load and less than an inch on this. This is probably close to a half, under 3/4, I think. That's really good. The point of impact is a little different. If I use that ammo this fall, I'll have to adjust the scope just a tad. But man, that's really good results for both of those, I think. So there you have it. We've compared the 223 and the 270 with hand loads and factory ammunition. Velocities are really close. Group size are even better. So thanks for watching.